How to make lens distortion transition in Premium Pro. Hello everyone, my name is Smile, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can solve this problem of yours. Follow the steps for that. So if you ever want to do that, start by importing and arranging your clips. So import your clips, like import the two clips you want to transition between your Premium Pro project. Place the clips on the timeline and apply the lens distortion. Locate the lens distortion effect, go to the effects panel and search for the lens distortion. Now apply the effect. Drag and drop the lens distortion as well. Animate the lens distortion by going to the effect controls panel. With the first clip selected, go to the effect controls panel. Set the keyframes by move play head to the point to the timeline where the transition begins, usually where the first clip starts to overlap with the second clip. In the lens distortion effect, click on the settings, select the curvature value to 0 and click on the stopwatch icon next to the curvature to the keyframe. Now move the playhead slightly forward near the middle to the transition area and adjust the curvature as well. Move the playhead to the end and transition area. Now apply it and animate the lens by applying the effect and the second clip. Drag the lens distortion and effect onto the second clip. Select and set the keyframes as well. And the fifth step is to fine tune and transition, that is ease keyframes. To make the transition smoother, right click on the keyframes in the effect control panel and choose ease in for starting keyframes and ease out for ending keyframes. Now adjust the overlap and preview and adjust. Now export a video if you like it by going to the file, export and media. So by see all the steps, and by following these steps you can create a dynamic lens distortion transition that adds a professional touch to your video projects in Adobe Premium Pro. You can also take the screenshot and follow the steps if you want to. So this is how you can do this. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then please do hit the thumbs up and subscribe button and also comment in the comment section below. Thank you for watching.